as we were driven here, Your Excellency, in our very rickety old school bus, KAA 781P, we came to pick up the Form 4 class for an excursion to Kikrok Lodge in Masai Mara. And through that trip and back, Your Excellency, I met a young, beautiful lady from Taita. And Your Excellency, I must confess, as we cleared our KCSE, I was very hopeful. But unfortunately, this girl from Taita moved on to the US, and I lost her. But I was lucky. There's a quotation that we met at the University of Nairobi, and she stuck in my house, and therefore I still feel Kotet is not so far from Chalks, but I am still looking for that girl from Taita, wherever she is. In Chalks, 29, 30 years ago when I was in school, there were very beautiful, intelligent young ladies. And today, Your Excellency, I can confirm. I was looking around, I can also tell there are still young, intelligent ladies in Chalks. And indeed, Your Excellency, the young lady who has walked you down from the administration block up to where you have planted the tree is testament of the intellect in this school. And when the principal says that they will be #1 in Kenya, I look forward to celebrating with them next year when they are #1 in Kenya with hard work. And we join them, Your Excellency, in celebrating their 100 years. And thank you, Your Excellency, because when we came back here in 2019 for a function of the Mount Kenya ACK diocese, you did promise a bus. And Your Excellency, thank you, because the boys from the Alliance High School now will not bring their rickety buses here. These girls have their own brand new bus.